I'm Steve Wagner with Lake Superior College. I'm part of the Learning Commons project, and I'll let Gary introduce the project, and I'll talk more specifically about my piece of it.
I think you just introduced it. I'm Gary Langer from the Minnesota Learning Commons, which represents University of Minnesota, Minnesota State Colleges, universities, and Department of Education. And as part of the blended grant, we were to develop a knowledge worker course. And the first thing we did is to look at campuses that could help develop that. And so Lake Superior College, Central Lakes College, and Alexandria Technical and Community College were chosen, and Steve is the lead, and will explain the development, and
Sure.
we're almost ready to deploy.
Okay. So we've developed, or putting the final touches on a 16-hour course that will run online like a similar college course with the fact it's more of a hybrid because the first 4 hours will actually take place on ground at one of the communities, where we're going to be offering the classes. We have contacted some of the first communities. We plan on rolling out the class the end of January. And one of the communities actually is Cook County, which brings up a good kind of scenario because Cook County, because we're offering on ground, will be working with Cook County Higher Ed. Part of our struggle with Cook County is they only have 4 computers in their computer lab. We'd certainly like to see more computers. This is something we'll be talking with PC for People about. How do we get more computers to the locations in time for these classes to be rolled out? The other piece is how much bandwidth will people have when they actually take the course so that they can do their research and do the homework that we've assigned to them in a way that is practical. So I think as we begin to talk to the communities, I think every community will have its own issues to help resolve, and we as the colleges have divided up the communities equitably, hopefully, so that each of the colleges has a certain amount of travel to do for these courses, and also will be responsible for specifically working with each community to decide where will the classes be offered, how do you do the recruitment for the individuals, and kind of troubleshoot those courses as we roll them out. We as a group will be coming back together periodically to talk about our issues related to the course and how it's being received, and we'll troubleshoot the course as we go. Thanks to Laura, who's also been a part of our group, because we've had some conversations about some of the initial differences between the literacy class, which is a basic, and the knowledge worker class, which really is designed for people that already have some computer skills and some abilities. But at the same time, I think our challenge is going to be that people, when they kind of self-identify their skills, sometimes are thinking they're probably better at it than they really are, and we're going to have to deal with some of those issues as we go. We're, I think, ready to roll at the end of January, get our class out there, and all of you will, all the communities will receive a direct communication with myself to get the ball rolling.